Dr. T.Sripathy, Department of Studies in Electronic Media, Bangalore University, India, holds a PhD degree in Electronic Media under Science faculty from Bangalore University and have exceptional track record of 19 years of postgraduate teaching at Bangalore University. He taught more than 1,000 students of Bangalore University, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Shri Shri Institute of Media Studies, Vigan and Len, Manipal Institute of Media Studies. An innovative and inquisitive academician, constantly engaged in academic and research activities in the field of electronic media studies, educational technology, film and television production, television journalism, and MOOCs video lecture production. He has also contributed technical proficiency to several educational institutions in designing syllabi and developing television and radio studio infrastructure for training the students. He also worked as administrator in higher educational institutions and research organizations of national repute. He is a valuable resource person and delivers skill-based technical sessions or lectures across the country for faculty development programs, refresher courses, and orientation programs at UGC HRDCs in technology in education. He conducts workshops, both television and filmmaking, for teachers, professionals, and students. He has written a number of articles on different aspects on electronic media which have been published in research journals. He has also participated in international forums and presented papers on various aspects.